Hey guys, wanna know how to change the dimension of your clip or your editing video or your project in Filmora? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, open up any media or import any media and then drag and drop it to the timeline right here. Now once you've done that, in order to change the dimension, just simply under this preview video right here, you can see this LED icon. Just click on it and then select change aspect ratio. Once you've clicked on it, there should be settings popping up. Now right here, these are the project settings. Now you can simply change the aspect ratio. I'll just select portrait for now, and then you can also change the resolution. I'll go for the highest and then frames. Just simply choose accordingly of your wish. You can also customize your resolution as well as aspect ratio. Now finally, color space. You can go for SDR, HDR and SDR with 2100 PQ. Once you've selected one of these, just simply press OK. And if you're not satisfied, select Save as Default right here. Select Change. And there you have it. Super simple and easy. Now your dimensions has been changed in Filmora. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.